Our beautiful world is facing serious challenges due to environmental pollution. The US EPA and local governments require wastewater to be neutralized to a pH level between 6 and 9 before discharge. Violating the rules can result in fines up to $50,000 per day. This diagram shows a typical wastewater pH neutralization process. A pH controller regulates the flow of acid or caustic into the neutralization tank, where it mixes with the wastewater to maintain the pH around its set point. A pH process is highly nonlinear, with a logarithmic relationship between pH and the reagent flow. Away from neutrality, the process gain is small, but near pH 7, it can increase by up to 1,000 times. This makes it almost impossible for a PID to control this process. Poor pH control can lead to overdosing acid and caustic, which is like burning money as they simply neutralize each other. As a result, a poorly controlled wastewater neutralization process can be very costly in terms of chemical consumption, equipment corrosion, and plant safety. Traditional PID control is not sufficient, and model-based control methods are too complicated and costly to implement. CyboSoft's model-free adaptive control is well suited for this application. Here, we are running CyboCon MFA control software to compare the performance of MFA and PID in controlling two identical pH processes. We raise the set point to 12, and MFA quickly reaches the set point. Next, the set point is lowered to 7, the neutral point. While MFA still controls the pH effectively, PID begins to oscillate. Now, we switch to a different real-time control demo. It compares an anti-delay MFA pH controller and a PID controller, each controlling a pH process with large time delays. When a pH process is combined with large time delays as well as large inflow and pH changes, the difficulty of this control loop quadruples. You not only must deal with the large gain changes, but also the varying time delays. This special MFA controller combines the power of being predictive, adaptive, and robust. It adapts to compensate for large gain changes, predicts to handle large time delays, and is robust to deal with inflow changes, titration curve shifts, and other uncertainties. You can see that the anti-delay MFA pH controller can effectively control a pH process with large time delays, while the PID controller fails miserably. An MFA pH control system can be built using CyboCon software running on a Windows PC, interfacing to a PLC or DCS. It can also be implemented with the MFA control toolset for a LabVIEW software, running on a LabVIEW controlled device. A significant return on investment is expected through chemical reagent savings, and improved plant safety, product quality, and production efficiency. CyboSoft is seeking customers and partners in the industrial control markets. We look forward to working with you to build a better and cleaner world.